In today's video, we're going to be going over how to fix conflicts in GitHub or any form of revision control inside of Unreal Engine. So we're going to get straight into it. I'm on GitHub here, and if I were to click on current branch, we can see I have two different branches, or three if you include main or master. So I've got my master branch, art, and tech. We're going to simulate that we've already made some changes, as I have already done that, and I want to merge these into master. So I'm going to open up my main branch here. We're switching to branch. And on this one, I'm now going to choose a branch to merge into main, and I'm going to merge in art. I'm going to create a merge commit, and this is going to be going smoothly as we want it to. Successfully merged art into main. We're going to push that like so. Again, all I'm doing here is simulating what has probably already happened to you. And so now I also want to merge tech in. So let's choose a branch to merge into main, select tech, and you can see we now have a conflicted file. So what do we do when we see we have a conflicted file? Well, what we want to do is first press create a merge commit. Don't worry, you can undo this. All we're doing here is we want to press create a merge commit because we want to see what is actually wrong. So you can see here, it is the BP third person character. Now, sometimes GitHub will give the option to fix it here. However, most of the time it doesn't because of Unreal using binary assets. So you can see it says it's already fixed the conflict. It hasn't actually. What it's done is it's just corrupted the file and you then can't use it, but it thinks it's fixed. So what we want to do is just take note of all of the conflicted files. For me, it is BP third person character, and I'm going to abort merge. So what I want to do is I want to create a copy of my third person character or all of the files that are conflicted. And I want to get a copy of it from one of my branches. So it doesn't matter which branch, but I typically use the one that I definitely want to keep. So for me, I'm going to go onto tech. So we switch back to our tech branch, and then we're going to open up the folder where we have our project. So what you can do to find that easily is go to repository up at the top, and then show in Explorer. This will then take you to your project folder here, and we're going to go find that asset. So for me, that's content, third person, blueprints, and I have my BP third person character. Do this for all of the files that you have in this conflict, and we're going to copy it and then just go to a different folder outside of your project. So for me, I'm going to go to my Unreal Projects folder and we're going to paste it. You can do this anywhere. You can do it in your downloads, on your desktop, whatever. Just make sure it is out of your project folder so we have a clean reference that is not going to be overwritten. Now, if we go back to GitHub, what we're going to do is go back onto main or whatever branch it is that you're merging into. And what we want to do is now choose a branch to merge into main, and we're going to merge in tech like so, or whichever branch it is that you haven't merged in yet, which again for me was tech. We're going to create a merge here, and we're then going to continue merge, ignoring this conflict because we have a copy of all of the files we need. We are then going to push this to origin, so we now have our merge completely done on our revision control. But if we were to open up our folder once again and then go back into our project, you'll see that my third person character is 1 kilobyte. That means it is corrupted. So that is again GitHub fixing the conflict, just corrupts it. Obviously not what we want. And so what we want to do with this corrupted file is we want to replace it with the one that we copied. So we're going to go find that. So for me, it is in my Unreal projects. I'm going to copy it, go back into my project folder, and I'm going to paste it. And we want to replace the file in the destination. You can see now we're back to 171 kilobytes. So what we've got here is we have our third person character from the tech branch now merged in. Now, obviously the merges from the art branch aren't in as well, and that is what we're going to fix now. So to do that, we now need to head into Unreal. So we'll open up our project, and in here we want to find where our asset is. So for me, again, that's going to be content browser, and it's already there, but for me, it'll be content, third person, blueprints, BP third person character. We're going to right click on our asset, go to revision control, and then diff against depot. And then you can see here we have a comparison between the current version and the version on a different diff. So a different push. So if we make this full screen, you can see anything in yellow here is a change. So if I were to click on the event graph here, you can see that on the left here, this is what is in the revision that I made at 6:34 this morning. And on the right, that is the version in the project right now. So green is what we currently have. Red is what is missing. So what you can do is select the stuff in red, Control C, and then we can close this and then just open up our character, and we can just hit Control V, and we now have this code in here as well. If we compile this, and then we can just diff again up here, and you can choose which push you want to do it against. So you can see the name of it there is line trace, this one initial commit, and this one update level. So I'm going to do it against update level. If I go to event graph, you can see now it is the same. So it's a white outline because we have now fixed it. So now we have our third person character fully merged with no conflict. So we had a conflict, we basically just told GitHub we're going to fix it, so we ignored it, and we have now fixed it inside of Unreal Engine. So now what we can do is we can close this, and we can now just push this to GitHub, making sure we're still on main, so everything is merged into the main, and we can just say this is called conflict fix, like so. We're going to commit that, and we can push it, and then we can continue on with our merging from main into tech and into art. But again, we've now merged everything together and fixed those conflicts. So I think that will be it for this video, as we've done everything we wanted to do. What we've done is we've gone over highlighting merge conflicts, finding out what assets are actually conflicted, and then how we can fix them inside of Unreal so we don't lose any progress and any work. Nothing is going to get overwritten. We can make sure we keep everything. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below, as it really does help me and the channel out a lot. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.